What the fish just happened? Guys, right now I'm in Lisbon, Portugal. Just checked in for the C4 event, Crypto Content Creator Campus, second edition. First edition was last year in Dubai. This year we are in Lisbon, Portugal. 200 of the best crypto content creators in the world are here right now. But let's see what the fish just happened to the market. Let's check it out. So, before we get started, I hope you guys did not get liquidated. Okay? I hope you did not get liquidated. Am I recording the screen? Yes, I am. Because overnight, 1 billion longs just got wrecked, just got wiped from the market. 255,000 traders were liquidated, guys. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. I hope you guys were not part of this. And in this video, we're going to take a look at what the plan is right now so that we can find more trading opportunities and so that we do not become this liquidation statistic. Okay? Now let's take a look at the heat map. We have been dumping, right? I just got off my flight, opened the charts, and boom, suddenly we're at 95. Out of nowhere. But I mean, come on, we were in quite a clear downtrend. Okay? And we're actually at a very, very important level right now. And I'll show you guys exactly where we are in the charts and what the current plan is. But let's take a look. We just wiped out all this liquidity. Let's zoom out a little bit. Let's take a look at 1 month. Let's take a look at 1 month. Maybe we can even zoom out to 2 months actually. Just give me a second. Yeah, let's zoom out to 2 months. Oh, that's 3 months. Okay. Let's take a look at 3 months and let's just see how much what the fish? How much liquidity did we actually just wipe out? Right? Come on. Are you going to load? Yes, you're going to load. So there's nothing left, guys. There's nothing left. I have to zoom out to 6 months. I have to zoom out even further. We thought that this Trump tariff dump was the end of it, right? This October 11th was the end of it, but no, we're still continuing lower, right? We are still continuing lower. We've cleaned everything out. There's nothing left below. Maybe I even have to go back to 1 year. Let me just take a look at 1 year. Let me take a look at 1 year. Okay, you can see we've cleaned everything out here. The next closest chunk is right down here. 809 million, almost a billion in liquidity is sitting down here. On top, nothing much has been going on because we have not had the time to actually respond to this, right? Everybody got liquidated here. People don't have the time to put money back into their accounts. Boom, we dump again. Right? We haven't had the time to respond to recover yet. So right now, as you can see, we're reaching a very important level right here. This is a higher time frame demand zone. So let's actually look at what the plan is for now. Okay. I haven't looked at the charts for a while, guys, for a while. So looking at BTC USDT. Okay. This is 4-hour time frame. So you can see the crucial levels for me right now would be where we are currently sitting right here, from 96 all the way down to about 92,000. This is a higher time frame demand zone. We created a rally, base rally. Yeah, so we could actually be looking to long from this position. And if we measure the range that we created at the top here, this is the first big higher time frame demand zone outside of this range. So usually what I see, right, is that price will react to the first supply or demand zone outside of the range, and it will attempt to come back into the range. And this is a very important part because this movement, the next move we're going to see, will determine whether or not we're able to come back up to 120 or 117,000, or if we are going back down to 88,000. So this is very, very important. The current level we are at now will determine whether or not this happens. Boom, boom, reclaim this range, and we can actually potentially create a full range reversal back up to here. Or will this happen? Boom, we get a reaction, but follows up with a bearish rejection down to the next demand zone, the next point of interest, which is below 90k. Yeah, which is below 90k. So these are the two higher time frame possibilities that I'm currently looking at. Alright, this is what I'm currently looking at. Whatever it is, right, we are bound for a push back up, because we have dumped quite a lot. Everything that goes up eventually has to come down. Everything that goes down eventually will bounce. So it's about time that we get a little bit of a bounce. Not a big bounce, right? We're just looking for a pullback and either a lower high or a break back into the range. So right now the plan is quite simple. For BTC, I will be looking for a potential long position from here. I have to see price action play out a little bit more, because we just tapped into the zone, guys. We just tapped into the zone. So it's unlikely that we're just going to shoot straight up. We're probably going to go sideways a little bit, create a Wyckoff accumulation pattern, something like that, and then boom, a W formation or something, and then boom, get a pullback up. Pullback up, potentially I would like to see it test this range low at about 102k. So that's ideally what I want to see happen. So what I'm looking for right now, let's take a look at the RSI. 4 hours, we have divergences on the 4 hours. Daily, let me look at daily. Daily, we are bound to enter the oversold, right? We've been overbought multiple times. It's bound to enter the oversold soon. So my bias is still more towards the downside for now, right? If I'm taking any longs from here, I'll be managing the trade quite tightly, because looking at momentum, we are bound to have a pullback, right, to reset a little bit. So if I were to take a trade from here, I would like to see some type of reversal pattern down here on the 4 hour time frame, right? Give me like a W or a clear break of structure, and then I'll look for a long position from here. And then we will have to see how price actually reacts to this level right here. Are we able to actually break above and claim and go for a full range reversal, or are we going to reject back down? So this is the current plan for now. Let's keep it simple. Right, let's keep it simple. I'm only looking at one potential trade for now. If I were to look for a short, the next short would be from around here, something like this. Right, this would be a continuation down. Right. So these are the two potential trades that I'm looking at for BTC USDT. Now, if you guys want to actually see, or you guys want more updates, make sure you guys join the Telegram channel. I post more frequent updates here. And I've also prepared a free starter pack for you guys, where you guys are going to learn all of this in just a few minutes. Not even an hour, guys. In just a few minutes, you will be able to learn step by step each of these topics, including how to calculate risk management. And you will be seeing exactly how I trade here, so you can learn and also follow along. This is a good learning experience for you guys. It's completely free. I've been doing this for 3 years, almost 4 years. So if you guys want to join the Telegram channel, the link is below. Make sure you guys take a look. That's all for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.